section 1 of 5th unit, the last topic, that is interconnection of two-port networks. In the interconnection of two-port networks, we have 4 types, that is series, parallel, cascade and series parallel. Now we are going to see series. It's a series, not a series parallel. It's a series. How to connect two-port network of two types in series, then how the variables get changes. So here we have taken two-port networks. Here we have taken two-port networks as a two-port network A, two-port network B, and the current in the A is I1A, output current is I2A, input voltage is V1A, output voltage is V2A. For second network, that is B network, the input current is I1B, input voltage is V1B, output voltage is V2B, output current is I2B. So if it is of series connection, then how to make the connection? In series, these two branches are connected. In series, these two branches. These two branches are connected and these two branches are connected in series, and this line is extended out. This line is extended out and this line is extended out and this line is extended out. Middle lines are added together and these lines are taken to the extension. And here the notations are given like plus minus as a V1 plus minus as a V2, and this is considered as a I1. This current is considered as a I1 and the leaving is considered as I1, and here entering is considered as I2 and the leaving is considered as I2. That is, so this is overall, this is considered as 1. So these two ports are connected together. If you connect like this, then that is called as series connection. So if you observe here, I1 is a current, I1A is also same current. This I1A are flowing in the same branch, So can I consider I1 is equal to I1A and I1 is equal to I1A. One more thing, if you observe here, this is the I1 current. This I1 current is flowing in this branch, and in this branch we are having one more current, that is I1B. So it is a single branch. So can I consider I1 is equal to I1A is equal to I1B? Yes. Next, if you observe here I2, for I2 it is flowing in this branch, the same branch, one more current is having, that is I2A, and in this branch I2 and I2B are flowing in the same branch. So from this block diagram, we can conclude that I1 is equal to I1A plus equal to I1B, I2 is equal to I2A equal to I2B. It means that the currents are same. The currents are same. The currents are same. Only the voltages get divided. Only the voltages get divided. By applying KVL, if you observe here, if you apply KVL here, just apply KVL in this branch. Here you are having plus or minus V1 1 voltage and plus or minus V1A 1 more voltage plus or minus V1B 1 more voltage. So by KVL in this first loop, we are going to get one equation like V1 is equal to V1A plus V1B, and similarly if I apply KVL here, if I apply KVL in this branch, the second, here you are having one voltage V2, V2A one more voltage, V2B one more voltage. So V2 is equal to, you will get V2 is equal to V2A plus V2B. So this V2 is nothing but sum of these two voltages. So from this we can write I1 is equal to I1A is equal to I1B, and I2 is equal to I2A is equal to I2B, and one more thing is V1 is equal to V1A plus V1B, and V2 is equal to V2A plus V2B. So if you observe here, in series, the current, why so called it is a series? Because in a series connection, only the current will remain same and voltages get divided. So from these two equations we can say that the current is not divided, current is maintained same and the voltages get divided. So the voltage is equal to V1 is equal to V1A plus V1B. So from by using this equation 1 and 2, we can write as in terms of V1A can be written as, so V1 V2 as a one more matrix, and V1A V1B V2A and V2B as a one more matrix. Sorry, it is V1A V1B, it is not a one more matrix. So this is a one matrix plus this is one more matrix. So V1 is equal to sum of two individual matrices, V1A plus V1B V2B. So here we got V1 is equal to, here we got, so V1 V2 as a one matrix with V1A V2A as a one more matrix added to V1B V2B added to one more matrix. So this can be written in terms of impedance parameters also we can write like this V1A V2A. So in the impedance matrix we have, what is the impedance for impedance matrix or for impedance parameters? So V1 is equal to mod Z, V is equal to voltage is equal to Z into, that is V is equal to Z into I. So this is a voltage, this is also voltage, this is also voltage, this is also voltage. Can I write this voltage as a impedance? Yes, I can write that as a V1 V2 can be written as V1A V2A. V1A V2A can be written as ZA with I1A I2A plus this V can be written as ZB with I1B, I2B. ZB with I1B, I2B. So if you observe here, I1A, I2A, I1B, I2B. So we got I1A is equal to I1B, I2A is equal to I2B, which is equal to I1. Can I write I1A as a I1? So from this can I write V1, V2 with ZA. I1A is nothing but can I write IA, I1? Yes. I2A, I can write it as a I2 plus ZB, I1B as a I1, I2B as a I2. So from this we can conclude that here you are having a similar matrix. So V1, V2 is equal to, just take a common of I1 and I2. Then you will get ZA, this is the one impedance matrix, and ZB is one more impedance matrix multiplied with I1, I2. Multiplied with I1, I2. This is your final. That is, if you connect the networks in series, their impedance matrices are added together. In series connection, the impedance matrices are added together. If I connect, similarly, if I connect n networks, that is of n two ports, n two ports in series, then what will be the equation? That is V1, V2 is equal to ZA plus ZB plus ZC dash 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 Zn with, this is your overall impedance matrix. So V1, V2 with one more matrix, that is I1, I2. So V1 comma V2 is equal to sum of their individual impedance matrices. Remember this one. If you connect the n two ports in a series, the equation will be, the final equation will be of, the final matrix will be the sum of individual matrices, sum of individual impedance matrices of each two port network. We need to add all impedance matrices together. So this is about your series connection. In the next class we are going to see parallel connection.